guys? Aaron McAnally here, the handy therapist. Today I'm going to show you guys how to replace an incandescent cam light switch and update it with a LED light switch. So we have this one, got from Home Depot, put the link in the bottom, and we're updating this mostly for looks but also to save a little bit of money. So LEDs take a lot less electricity to power, and this one's kind of cool because it even has a bunch of options on how bright we want it or what type of brightness we want it. So we have the warm white, the soft white, the natural white, the bright white, and the daylight. So we're going to go with the bright white, which is 4,000 kelvins. So we'll go ahead and show you how to do this. So we still have the light turned on, or not turned on, but the electricity's still on. So you want to turn the electricity off. So there it's on, there it's off, turn it off. Just doing it from the switch is good enough. You don't have to necessarily go down to the breaker box and turn it off completely. You can, that'd be a little safer, but this is probably good enough. Alrighty, be safe as you're getting up there. Luckily we don't need a ladder necessarily, we can hold this. Okay, so to take this thing off, all you do is kind of get on the edge here and just pull it down. There'll be a little bit of tension on there, and all it's held in by is these two tension rods. So it's these little springs that have these wires coming out, and they're in these little bitty holes or brackets, and you just pinch it here, pinch, and kind of wiggle it out. So pinch that one out, and pinch this one out. Here's those little rods. You pinch and pull. All right, set that aside. And now there's just a bulb in there. Take out that bulb. This is an incandescent. Take that out. And you put in the new one. So put that somewhere. So just screw it in like a regular light bulb. Pretty simple. Then there's a place to plug this one into. You should hear a little click. Like that. And then this has the same little tension rods. So stuff the wire up in there, out of the way, and using the tension rods, just set it up there. Sometimes you kind of have to twist it in there, get it nice and snug. Alrighty, and that's it. Test it, make sure it works. There we go, a lot brighter and saving electricity. Alrighty, if you have any questions, leave them down below. Please like and subscribe and let me know of any future videos you would want me to make.